The development of AI that detects stars in the night sky, along with the analysis and processing speed required to transform the data into one picture, has been upgraded. The AI that's used for stars can actually be used for other purposes. Just as it detects points for stars in the night sky, it can also detect points through a microscope to discover cells. But what's the difference between these two processes? Let's see what happens when this star detection technology is used for plant cells and satellite photography. Conventional microscope lenses use high magnification in order for cells to be observed. Using this AI system, points can be detected across a wide area at low magnification, allowing for efficient observation of cells in a wide range at high magnification. Here's a test of point detection from the Japanese archipelago. Notice how it's possible to see fishing boats and dams using the AI point detection system. Detected areas are highlighted in green. As this AI system evolves, it can be put to use in an increasing amount of fields. Want to see more innovative technology? Check out our channel for new videos on tech every single week. Consider liking this video and subscribing as well. Thanks for watching.